Hello, my friends, this is Mariana Crawford, and welcome to another episode of
Glam MC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Boxycharm unboxing. I have this little guy here, and I got some pretty cool stuff this time, and I wanted to share it with you. First thing that I have here is the Alamar palette. Alamar palette is called Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1, inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, velvet mattes. These are the shades. I'm going to be creating a look with this today. I have here some really cool looking lashes. It looks like I'm going to have to cut those because they look really big. And I have here these beautiful Luxie brushes that I really want to try out. This one is the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter. Luxie 516 Duel Fiber Powder. This will be probably good for my blush, blending out my contour. I kind of like that one a lot. And then this one is the 660 Precision Foundation. This is, I guess, I would probably use this like to do my concealer or something, do like spot foundation. And then I have here the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, and I have this. I found out about this from another influencer, from another YouTuber. I think it was Jessica Braun that turned me onto this. I know Coffee Break with Danny talks about it a lot, so I know this is awesome. It smells amazing. I can't even explain to you the smell because it's very unique and it smells really, really good. It's just a really great thick lotion for your skin. The Ofra long lasting lipstick. This lipstick is like a very cool tone brown, so if you're going for colorful, you probably won't want to use this one. Putting it on now, and I'll take it off later because I don't think I'm going to want to use this with this colorful palette. And then I have here the eyeliner pencil in charcoal. It's a gray color. I don't know if I would really like this that much on my eyes because it's not black, but I will try it. And it says it's waterproof. I get very watery eyes, so that's a good thing. So this is from Jontebleau eye pencil. I'm going to start with the Alamar palette. And first thing that I'm going to do is prime my eyes. And I'm going to prime my eyes with my Woodstruck eye primer. It makes my eyes very tacky so that if I put any shimmers on, they'll stick. I'm wearing Kathleen Light's nail polish right now in Miami. It's KLPolish. If you haven't heard of it, go to KLPolish.com. She has some really beautiful shades. Alright, okay. The first shade I'm going to use Cocoa Taxi. It's the light shade in this palette, so I would assume it's like a transition shade. And I'm putting that in the crease and taking it up to the brow bone. The shadows are very pigmented. They feel very nice on the eyes. They blend out very nicely. I'm going to take a little bit of Tropico and stamp it on the sides. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of a smaller brush and do some detailed work with brown. I'm going to go ahead and stamp that on the sides to deepen up the outer V and blend it out. Do that again. Take a little bit of cafecito, stamp that in the outer V, a little bit on the lower lash. So, taking the fluffy brush and blending it out. And taking a little bit of Cocoa Taxi and putting it above the brow, on the brow bone. And blending that orange color out. I'm going to take a little bit more of the Cocoa Taxi. Just going over the perimeter of the eye, of the halo eye, and blending it out. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of Cocoa Taxi and blend out the brown. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Tropical and put that in the crease. Okay, so for the middle, I'm gonna go with El Malacón. And so that it adheres a lot to the eye, I'm gonna put a little bit more of this eye primer right in the middle. Just a little tiny bit. And we're gonna go in with El Malacón with a dry brush. I like it a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of Tropical and put it on the sides of this. Okay. Blend it. Okay, and so I'm gonna take a little bit of the brown, the cafecito, put it on the lower lash. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Tropical and blend it with the cafecito. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Cocoa Taxi and bring it all together. So Cocoa Taxi is this one. I'm putting that in on this side because it's the lightest shade. And then I put the brown and Tropical on the outside. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend that a little bit. That is the look. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use La Costa very lightly there and a little bit in the inner corner. For the face, I'm gonna prime my face with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm gonna use my Sol de Janeiro on my hands just cause I love the smell. Let's see. Now for my foundation, I'm gonna be using my Fenty foundation. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna use the foundation brush. It's called Precision Foundation Luxie 660, and I'm gonna spot conceal with this. Don't feel like I have too much control with that one, and I kind of wanted to clean up a little bit better down here with my kabuki brush, but that's good enough, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and use my IT Cosmetics tapered highlighter brush. I'm gonna use my tapered highlighter brush to just dab my IT Cosmetics powder on my skin. Now that I set my makeup in place, I'm gonna go ahead and use my brow pencil. Okay, now for my Making Faces beauty book, I'm gonna use my bronzer and my contour, and I'm gonna use my new Duel Fiber brush to blend it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna use the bronzer, and I'm gonna marry the two together. Out of all three brushes, I think I'll get the most use out of this one. This one is really good for blending. For lipstick, I'm going to use my Bossy lipstick from ColourPop. I'm blotting off the excess and just putting on a little bit of a Buxom red Buxom lip gloss on top. It smells so good. All right. This is in the shade Sangria. Sangria from Buxom. It's a lip plumper. It's really nice. So, I don't think I have time to put on my falsies on because I would probably need to cut them and everything. But I'm going to look at that. They are perfect. I could probably put them on. Okay, so let me try them. Let me try to do it. They look really pretty. This one. These are Monroe 3D Lash Silk Lashes. Battington Lashes. If all else fails, bat your lashes. Okay, so that is the finished look with my lashes and all. This is everything that I received in my Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
Glam MC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up.